So the eye speaks more than words could ever tell. So hello everyone, myself Dr. Devansha, and today I'm going to tell you about some important facts regarding dark circles. So let's begin with our today's video. So what causes dark circles? There are so many causes responsible for causing those dark circles. One of those is genetic factor or familial factor. If some of your family members are having dark circle and you also have it, then there are high chances of having a genetic component for it. Second important cause for causing these dark circles is skin allergy. So if you have some kind of skin allergy, then there are chances of developing dark circles afterwards in your life, because allergy makes your skin a bit thinner than normal population. So there are chances of developing dark circles afterwards in your case. Third important cause responsible for causing dark circles is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. As you might have noticed that many of us use makeup materials on our skin on a daily basis. So some of the makeup contains those harmful chemicals which can produce allergy on your skin, and as allergy gets produced on your skin, there are chances of depositing pigment in your lower eyelid. So we should avoid those makeups. Fourth important cause responsible for this condition is skin laxity, especially of lower eyelid. So as we age, our skin tends to lose its elasticity afterwards. So we tend to develop dark circles as we age. So these dark circles are produced by those shadowing effect produced by direct light on our face. Fifth important cause responsible for this condition is having superficial blood vessels in that lower lid area. So as you know, we have a pretty thin skin at our lower eyelid area compared to rest of our face. So the vessels becomes prominent. So that is why that dark circle appearance gets produced. Now let's go on to our important part of this video, how to manage dark circles. So the first foremost thing I want to mention here is that you should regularize your sleeping schedule, and you should take at least 6 to 8 hours of adequate sleep per night, because it will reduce the chances of developing skin laxity afterwards. So you have to maintain a proper sleeping schedule. Second important thing which I want to mention here is you should stop smoking, because smoking causes carbon soot deposition and it will interfere with your treatment regimen which is prescribed by your dermatologist. Third thing which I want to mention here is you should take a diet rich in vitamin B complex, particularly vitamin B12 and iron. So when you have a enriched diet like that, then there are less chances of developing dark circles. Fourth one is home remedies. Some of the materials like tomatoes, potatoes, cucumbers and aloe vera are helpful for dark circle treatment regimens. So you should give a try for that. Fifth important treatment advice I would like to give is consult a dermatologist for treatments like PRP, dermal fillers, then retinoids, then chemical peels. Your dermatologist can advise you according to your skin condition and skin type. That's it for today. I hope I was able to clear some of your doubts regarding under eye dark circles. So kindly like this video, follow my Instagram account and share this video as much as possible. So see you guys till next time.